Hey buddy, today in this video, we're going to show you how to make 5 easy frozen foods in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here some Arby's frozen curly fries. We're going to open it up. Smells good already. We're going to put this aside for right now. Let's open this up. We're going to take the Arby's curly fries and pour it in. There we go. Spread them out. Looking good. We're going to put the frozen curly fries into the air fryer. We're going for 400 degrees for 14 minutes, and we'll be back. It's been 7 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's toss them around. We're just going to open it up. There you go. Give it a good toss. Put it back into the basket. And let's put it in for the last 7 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Smells good. Smells just like Arby's curly fries from the restaurant. Let's release the basket and put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today, Arby's curly fries. It's really crispy, you should give it a try. It's just like from the restaurant. Number 2, Tyson frozen southern breast tenderloins. It's really delicious. Let's open it up. Okay, let's put the frozen tenderloins into the air fryer. Let's put them in. Let's turn it on. We're going for 400 degrees for 14 minutes, and we'll be back. It's been 7 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Nice and crispy already. There we go. Let's put it in for the last 7 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Take out the chicken tenderloins. Nice and crispy. Okay, this is what we have today, southern breast tenderloins from Tyson. Let's cut one open. It looks nice and juicy and crispy. Number 3, we have here Jone's Dairy Farms fully cooked sausages. No antibiotics used. They're frozen sausages, and it's around 3.5 pounds. It has really simple ingredients: pork, water, salt, spices, and sugar. You can find this at Costco in the frozen food section. Should give it a try. It's really good. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like frozen. Let's put it into the air fryer. Just gonna take a handful. Let's make 8. Okay, we have here 8 frozen sausages from Costco. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna change the temperature to 400 degrees for 7 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take out the Costco sausages. This is what the Costco sausages look like, and they're really awesome. Number 4, Gorton's crispy battered fish fillet, and it's well caught. Okay, this is what it looks like frozen. Let's put it in the air fryer. We're going to open up the air fryer. We're going to put in the fish fillet. There we go. We're going to put Gorton's frozen battered fish into the air fryer. We're going for 400 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Make sure to give them some space. There we go. We're going to put it in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking nice. This is what the fish looks like, fully cooked. It's nice and crispy on the outside and tender in the inside. And lastly, number 5, frozen egg rolls from Pagoda. Pork egg rolls. I've tried a lot of different types of frozen egg rolls, and this one seems to be the best. Let's open it up. Let's put the frozen egg rolls into the air fryer. We're going to open up the air fryer. We're going to put 4 in. There we go. Make sure they're nicely spread out. We're going to put it in. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going for 350 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take them out. It's wonderful. Let's cut one open. This is what Pagoda pork egg roll looks like. And it's really delicious. Okay, this is what we have today. 5 easy frozen foods that you can make in the air fryer. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes.